back for day 9. What? No, exciting. Oh, I love it. Oh. So you don't want me too excited. You don't want me to... Look at that.
Ho, ho, ho.
I'm so excited I can't think what we're doing. We're on day 9. What we're going to do now is you've got your table set, you've got your bottles of wine, you've got everything going. So I'm going to just do a really simple napkin wrap. And it's going to actually look like this, like a little kimono. Okay, and it's done really, really simply. You can do this with the napkins you've already got. You can even do it with paper napkins if you want to. And this is the colours I have at my table at Christmas. So I've got this lovely kimono with the obi belt. So we're going to do this one next. So I've chosen this lovely little cloth. It's black and red. And again, I don't know if you noticed, but I do like black and red. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold out the cloth. So come to this top corner and you're going to fold that down like there. You can have a narrow collar or a thinner collar, depends what you want. A thicker collar even. So we're going to then fold that to there like so. Then what we're going to do with it is we're going to flip it over so it's now this way around, and we're going to put your hand there because that's where the head's going to go, and you're going to take this side. So is it this side? What you've got to remember with kimono is you have to fold it left side outside, and you all know I can't do left and right. I've only just learned portrait and landscape. So I'm just going to turn it round to face me because I know that's my left side. And this is the side that goes down first. So I'm going to flip it back round. Okay. So you're going to pull the side down and then you're going to pull the other side down so it makes a neckline. So you can see now we've got a lovely neckline around the top of the kimono. So what you're going to do now is you're going to give it a smooth down. You're going to take this piece of the kimono and you're going to put it up to almost the neck, so almost to the top of the neck, and you're going to smooth it out again. Now this is where we form the obi, the bit that goes around the middle. So you're going to pull this down to about there, and you see what I did? All I did, I just made a sort of a pleat in it like so. Hold that together. If you've got a nice starched napkin, it works really, really well. So you've got that there, and then we're going to flip her back over like so. So this is what you're looking at, sort of a Mount Fuji sort of shape with the wings at the side. And then you're going to go down from about 1 inch down, and you're going to pop your finger there, and you're going to fold that over so it's level at the bottom. And at this stage you can just fold that in, and then you're going to do the same with the other side. So you've got the same distance from there to there, so you're going to go for about there. You're going to fold it over, fold that over, turn it round, give it a tuck in. Now when we turn this over, we've got a really cute kimono. So what you can do now is you can take either your chopsticks, so put your chopsticks in there. So you've got chopsticks, or if you can't use your chopsticks, you're going to take your knife, spoon and fork, and you're going to put your fork, your knife, and you know me, I never do anything in the right order. You're going to put that one in there, you're going to put that one in there, and then you're going to put that one in there. If you add a little bit of sparkle into there, that on your dinner table looks so cute, and it fits in with your Japanese theme. I can't understand how we can get any more sparkly for tomorrow, but I think we're going to try. We've got loads more projects coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss them.